Did you know that the cryptocurrency market is projected to grow by over 200% in 2024? That's right. With numbers like that, it's no wonder everyone's talking about getting in on the action. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into how you can trade cryptocurrencies with a budget of under $5,000. If you're new to investing or just looking to dip your toes into the crypto waters, this video is for you. Now, let's get real for a second. Investing in cryptocurrencies can feel like riding a roller coaster. It's thrilling but also pretty scary. For small investors, the challenges are even more pronounced. First up, there's the volatility. Prices can skyrocket one minute and plummet the next, leaving you feeling dizzy. And then there's the whole risk management thing. How do you protect your hard-earned cash when the market can change in a heartbeat? Many small investors find themselves overwhelmed by these factors, leading to poor decisions or missed opportunities. So, let's break that down and see how you can navigate these choppy waters effectively. Alright, so how do we tackle these challenges? The first strategy you should consider is diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, spread your investment across several cryptocurrencies. This way, if one coin tanks, you have others that might be doing well. Think of it as building a mini portfolio. Next up is risk assessment. This means understanding how much you can afford to lose without it impacting your life. It's crucial to set stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. Another great tactic is to stay updated on market news and trends. This information can guide your trading decisions and help you make informed choices. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of crypto. Now, here comes the big reveal. The most impactful strategy for trading cryptocurrencies with limited funds is dollar cost averaging. This method involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money into a particular cryptocurrency, regardless of its price. By doing this, you reduce the impact of volatility on your overall investment. It helps you buy more coins when prices are low and fewer when they're high. It's a simple yet powerful strategy that can lead to success over time. Plus, it takes the emotion out of trading, which is a total game changer. So to wrap things up, today we talked about the best strategies for trading cryptocurrencies with a budget under $5,000. Diversifying your investments, practicing risk management, staying informed, and applying dollar cost averaging can really help you navigate the crypto market. Remember, informed trading decisions are crucial in this space. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What strategies are you considering? Drop your comments below. And if you're interested in leveling up your trading game, be sure to check out my video on advanced trading techniques. Thanks for watching.